Yeah, what up, Damage Control family? We are so grateful to have you back with us for the next piece of this puzzle we're building. The last time y'all saw us, we were leaving Washington, D.C. So let's pick it up there, as there is so much to catch all up on. On the way south, our old boat neighbors at Quantico asked us to stop by the marina. We received a departing gift and a lot of great advice.
So cute. That is so
Sherilyn,
Thank you.
Brian, thank you so much. People ask, what do y'all do out there? Don't y'all get bored? You get bored?
No.
I don't get bored. She cooked a good meal, as always.
Healthy.
Healthy, very healthy. We have a cozy fire over there. It's nice and cozy in here. It's like 40 degrees outside and 78 in here. So we're doing good.
Yeah.
And this is what we do.
This is what we do.
The sunset in Reedville, Virginia.
And your sunshine every day.
There you go, in my sunshine every day. The next morning, as we were preparing to weigh anchor, 6 small planes took off from a runway just inside the tree line on shore. Here's another one. Had me wondering what the heck is going on in Reedville, Virginia. They're moving at sometimes 18, 20 knots, right? But it doesn't look like they're moving fast at all. And the way you would check that is you would tap it on the screen and it would give you all the information on that system called AIS, right? Automatic Identification System. So Susie Q's on watch right now, and I have to use the bathroom, so I back her up by keeping avionics up, even in the bathroom. When we got to Norfolk, we pulled into E.B. Little Creek Marina so that we could make a Costco run and meet my cousin for dinner. It's on an active duty Navy base, so you have to not see what you see sometimes. This would be the last Costco run until Southern Florida, so we had to make it count. Check out my Uber! This is my Uber from Costco tonight. Y'all remember that guy from last time I was down this way? He's back! Cuzzo! Here we are, anchored in the Great Dismal Swamp, the Deep Creek Lock. This is the northern lock of the Great Dismal Swamp. Doesn't open again until tomorrow morning, so we're here for the night with these 2 souls. We dropped anchor in the Great Dismal Swamp. Time to make dinner. Dinner is on me tonight. And I watch YouTube while I make dinner. This is what it looks like out there. There's 2 buckets of firewood. And Susie Q reads and chillaxes while she waits for dinner. Susie Q said, get a sticker and put it out there. So here we go. We were here, Deep Creek, Lock, Great Dismal Swamp. Damage Control. Susie Q and Sput. Hey! And this is all very interesting. We are at a bridge right past the first lock, and we have to wait But he's about to open the bridge for us. There's my newest YouTuber over there getting footage. We are coming up on a free dock in the Great Dismal Swamp. Boat tied up. I highly encourage y'all to research the Great Dismal Swamp's fascinating history. We took this narrow, bumpy route because there was a special surprise waiting for us at the end of it. Yes, this is Susie Q and her mama, live from Elizabeth City. Elizabeth City is a cool little town. It offers a free dock, and all they want you to do for it is have a meal out in town. So we did, and then it was time to move on.
Maybe it's us. Maybe our
I guess that's true. Gosh. You're like, fuck all your like philosophy. They just about to die.
And there we were, hard aground. We found a 4.5-foot mound in what was supposed to be 11 feet of water. The reason we weren't on the center line is because there was no room for the barge that was coming and us to both be on the center line. Look who showed up! All right, we are untying and getting out of here.
So cute.
Where are we going today?
Beaufort!
Hubert?
Hey, I got on shorts.
Oh wow, y'all are ready.
Okay, this is possibly the most empowering moment of my life. Female captain, female crew member.
Yes.
Oh, independence.
All right. All right, so let some of that throttle out. There you go. Let that ride over, and there's your bowling. See that? And the bowling is correct if it has this little tail on the inside of your circle.
Okay.
See that? That's a good bowling. That's not coming out. All right, we'll do that over.
Gonna hit the play button.
Boat buddy Bill invited us to have Thanksgiving dinner with his family. Shout out to Bonnie, Matt, and Kennedy, who prepared the entire meal herself. Compliments to the chef.
It's stovetop. And she said, I'm making homemade stuffing. And I was like, I've never made that. I don't know how to make that.
That looks good.
Kennedy, you did good. I'm so proud of you.
Yes.
Thank you.
I don't know about all that.
Yeah.
We
all
all
had hats
have
on.
to dress up. Whenever we play poker, we all wear like hats and sunglasses to make it intense.
Yeah.
Never played poker in my whole life.
Really?
Welcome to our first meal at Shea Avamar.
We are their first dinner guests, and we are truly honored.
In 4 years.
In 4 years.
Wow.
We are the first, and it's a delightful
Horrible dinner
thing.
guests. We've had plenty of parties, but never a fancy plate with napkins dinner.
And this is much fancier than any restaurant we've gone to in a long time.
We have a fireplace.
It's kind of dark, you can't see it, but it's there.
It's romantic and dinner by a fire.
Yes. Laundry day. Sailors probably look like the most homeless people in the world. Right? Because we look poor, we look homeless, like all we got in the world is this wagon.
Squeaky wagon.
Squeaky wagon. It wasn't even squeaking. Remember I bought the silicone lubricant to spray the wheels and it stopped squeaking.
I know. It's singing today.
Right, now it's squeaking again.
And it's chilly. Woo!
It's alright.
It's sunny.
Where y'all going?
We're hiking to the groceries to resupply.
You got it going on.
My favorite wagon.
That's powered by Caterpillar, right?
Yes.
Headed to the grocery store.
And Susie Q layering up. Layering up for her first offshore overnight passage. We're going out to Beaufort Inlet and we're heading for Florida. We're gonna try to do it in one shot and we'll see. It's gonna be 37 degrees. How do you feel about that? That good, huh? Okay, well. Let's see, there's her famous earmuffs. And I got things put away for and set up for a starboard tack all the way down, hopefully. We saw this warship as soon as we left the Beaufort Inlet. Well, I'd hate to be the enemy and see that coming. He's doing 13 knots. Looks like he's hardly moving.
They have guns.
Oh yeah, plenty of guns. And missiles too, probably. What you think, man?
I've made an interesting life choice. An interesting life choice.
You did. It's very interesting, for sure. Well, it's wintertime, and you know, it's a little sporty out here. It is. For your first time on the ocean, though, you're doing great. Good. Doing great.
I kind of wish it would just come up.
Yeah, you don't need that. You're doing great.
Not even scared.
That's good.
Kind of cool.
It is.
Boat can move like this in the water.
Yes. What's our speed over ground? That's good.
No, 7, 8.
Well, yeah, we're doing 7 to 8. So it's gonna, when we, surf down the wave, it's gonna speed up. So between 7 to 8 knots, which is great. And we have a reef in the main. And the head sail is reef. She hung in there for hours before the ocean came to collect what was due. Conditions would continue to worsen because of a strong low pressure system that was forming to the north of us. Soon we would need a place to duck in off of the ocean. anchorage in Charleston and letting that front go through. Got a fire going. There's our buddy boat, Evermore. The next day, we got back on the ocean. Our buddies, they went down to ICW. Our plan was to meet in St. Augustine, Florida. St. Augustine, Florida. To celebrate making it to Florida, Bill took us to one of his local watering holes. There we met Bert and Gadget, who sailed thousands of miles and had stories to tell. Now I already know how the comments are about to treat us for this dancing. But it's cool. Go ahead, have fun. Please stay tuned. Click like, subscribe, and continue to share these videos. Now, we're really about to go have some fun.